So I'm here in California with my friend Greg from Greg's Gadgets. Say hi, Greg.
Hello.
And we've been hanging out with some of the best tech YouTubers in the industry. Super excited about that. But we'll talk about that later. Today we're going to surprise Austin Evans with a trip to Donut Media, one of the largest car channels on YouTube. I can't wait to get to it. And we're going to do it right after this.
Right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
All right, we're here at Donut Media. We're going to meet Austin and let him in. He doesn't know what exactly is going on other than he's here, but he's going to be on an episode of the D-List. I'm super excited. Let's go get him. Okay, I'm here with Austin. Austin, thank you so much for being a part of this.
Yes.
I came to see Mystery Tech.
Yes.
But we're not doing that today.
I don't see any mystery tech unless there's something behind that dumpster.
There's some mystery over there, but we're not going to go over there. There's definitely mystery in the bags and trash.
Austin.
Austin?
The pandemic.
Do you have your socks?
You're gonna. I'll need a few more after that one. Okay.
All right, but look, I know that you love cars.
Yes.
I happen to know Donut Media, one of the best, most awesome YouTube channels for cars, and I thought I would just connect you two. And I have a big surprise waiting for you inside that I think you're gonna like. I think you're gonna like.
Big surprise.
Yes, it's a big. You don't know anything about this.
I know that I'm standing here and that there's something inside. That's all I know.
Let's go find out. Let's go.
Oh, I thought this was a garage.
No, we we're on the cars through there. Let's go on in.
Yeah.
Meet James.
Like the floors.
What's up, dude? Hey, Austin.
Let's go, man. Good to meet you.
Cool, yes, this is the spot.
Yeah,
Thanks,
Austin.
man. Nice
Let's go
to meet you.
Guys, what a sweet office you guys have here.
It's getting there, for sure.
Yeah. How long have you been in here?
Surely. We moved in,
2 years ago.
yeah, like July 2020.
Do you guys know what we're doing? Because they're not telling me anything.
So I'm shooting an episode of the D-List today. We're looking at some sharper image products made for cars. And since you're a tech guy, we were wondering if you could help us out and decide if they're good or not.
Sharper image. Odds are probably not.
It's the wish.com of them all.
Sharper images, they're still around.
They're still around as an online and catalog only company.
Because they closed all their mall locations.
Yeah, so they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy a couple of years ago. I think it was like 2008 or something like that. And then they're still around. They're still making infomercials
People
and stuff.
still need a broom that's a vacuum.
They cost $80 for some reason.
Yeah.
So while we're here in Donut Media, I'm actually going to be recording some of the behind the scenes stuff of Austin's episode with Donut. And I just want to thank Donut for allowing us to do this. It's kind of a last second thing, but here are some behind the scenes of that episode.
Give you a little tour if you want.
That'd be awesome.
We're still doing a little bit of setup. I think they're ordering breakfast right now, but this is our entranceway.
Nice.
This is the room we use the most.
Nice. Oh, wow.
This is like really big for me because we used to shoot everything in a hallway in a building that was like as big as this room. And we shared it with another company.
Oh, no.
So like I would shoot like up to speed and just be like screaming, and then you just hear all these like passive aggressive like door slams.
Yeah, you got such a huge space. I'm guessing that this always. Oh, you got to paint it, huh?
Yeah, we paint it probably
Nice.
once every couple months
Nice.
because we're really bad about walking on it.
Yeah. Wait, so did you actually, was this wall here? Did you actually build up
No, we built the site.
Oh,
so.
nice. Oh, here we go.
Seen this one a lot.
Hey, that looks nice.
Hey, it's the
That's
Jetta.
gonna be our test mule today for the sharper image stuff.
This is the last video before we retire this car.
Oh.
Seriously? We're getting a new one. It's actually, it belongs to a friend. And we have to give it back.
This guy lent it to us for one ad spot, and then we ended up just keeping it and using it for like AutoZone products for a year.
Like shattering the windows.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It'll be a good relic for him.
Nice. Oh, you got a little area back here too? Nice. Oh, well, you got a lot of spot.
A lot of parking spaces that are all filled by just with like project cars.
Yeah. Bad decisions everywhere you look.
This is Nolan's car.
Oh, wow.
This was behind my house for over a year.
Was it really?
And then one day he like came to my front door and he was like, hey, he was like jacking it up and punctured my septic tank.
What?
Yeah.
How do you do?
Because the thing weighs like 10,000 pounds.
you have to get these paint matched, or how did you?
They're
how'd you land
fully
on this?
custom. I designed them.
Yo, really?
Yeah, with the guy that runs Rotiform.
Wow.
So they're based on like Porsche Cup wheels.
Yeah. Woo!
So it's a
Damn.
5-cylinder from like a 2005 Jetta.
Oh, like the 2.5?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
And a big old turbo on it. It's custom exhaust and it gets way hotter than, like this car made like 59 horsepower. Yeah. And now it makes like 330.
It makes 330? Oh god.
And the exhaust like went under the shifter and it got so hot that it melted all the shifter bushings. So I was driving back from a show one day and it wouldn't go into gear, so I had to drive all the way back from downtown to here forth.
Alright,
let's go.
I'm ready.
Do it.
I'm amped. I'm not caffeinated, unfortunately, but the next best thing. Alright. So how you feeling?
I'm here to watch this shenanigans, and I am all for it. You have no idea.
You're just here to cause problems.
Yeah, well, thank
Starting
you.
trouble.
Welcome to my channel. I appreciate that you finally figured that out.
It's like I watched one of your videos once. Like, oh, trouble. I see.
Yeah, trouble, literally.
For up to speed, it's right side up. For D-list,
Oh, see.
upside down.
You put the extra effort in. I appreciate that. I'm like,
This shows a little bit of a train wreck.
Deliberately.
I mean, that's kind of the idea, right?
Yeah.
We don't be too polished.
We kind of planned it aesthetically to be shitty on purpose.
Well, when we started it, literally the first week of quarantine.
Oh, really? Oh, it was when you started.
So-
Oh.
We're approaching our 100th episode, actually. It's crazy, but yeah, April 2020 is when we did the first episode, and we filmed it totally remotely. So James had this shitty webcam that we bought him, and so I was on a Google Meet just directing while he was in his own office
I was
at
in my
home.
garage.
We were like
Didn't
trusting
have
that all the settings were good, and we
God.
had to film episodes over again because we found out the microphone didn't record, that kind of thing.
I was out of the focus. I shot and up to speed, and the camera dipped. And
No.
Just, like, cut off half of my head.
All right. Do you clip or tape these mics?
You have the option whichever you want. So this is this goes through your shirt. So if you don't want to fuck it up, you can swap it out. And that'll just clip on.
Okay. I'll probably just clip it then.
It's a big audience today.
Yeah. I just kind of like that when there's a few people on set. It always kind of makes it feel
Yeah,
a little bit
little
more like.
I don't see anything interesting.
Yeah. Well, guys, and feel free to laugh. Y'all remember the Sharper Image, that futuristic store in the mall that sold futuristic products that your parents would never let you buy? Well, they're still around. And turns out that they have a whole section dedicated to car stuff. Today we're going to test out some of these products and see if they are as life-changing as they sound. I'm joined by fellow YouTuber and connoisseur of weird products from the internet, Austin Evans. I'm James, and this is the D-List.
Connoisseur of weird products is the nicest way anyone has ever described it.
So do you remember the Sharper Image?
Yeah. So Sharper Image, they had the stores in the mall. They had the magazines.
Yep.
They had the mail order catalogs too. That were in. Weren't they in like airplanes and stuff? No,
That was Sky Mall.
Sky Mall.
Dude, I wish Sky Mall was still around so bad for this show.
Just endless content.
Yeah, the fact that it doesn't exist has removed so many videos from our playlist. Future stuff before computers.
But most of it was not very good, is
No.
my recollection. Like, a lot of it was kind of interesting and kind of cool, but also twice as expensive as it should have been, and almost always more useless than you think it actually will.
Exactly. It was a terrible guess at what the future would hold.
Yes.
Y'all remember the Sharper Image, that awesome store at the mall full of futuristic products that your parents never let you buy? Well, turns out they're still around on the internet, and they have a whole section dedicated to futuristic car, and they have a whole section dedicated to futuristic, life-changing car stuff. Today we are going to test some of those products and figure out once and for all if they are as life-changing and futuristic as they claim.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, thanks. What is the biggest problem with old cars?
They break a lot.
Yeah, and exactly. They don't have security systems.
They get broken into a lot. I'm sorry. They get broken into a lot.
Do it.
You want it?
Yeah.
right, here's the box. Yeah, check out the box, then read the reviews. I think that's a funny way to do it.
Ooh, it's
Oh no.
very compact. Okay, so this,
The Universal Mobile and Auto Alarm TX100, designed and engineered in Germany.
oh, I didn't know that the 100 came out.
Well, I mean, that's the German version.
Okay. It's battery operated?
No!
Oh, it just got cool. I don't have to pump or nothing.
Are those D's?
Yeah.
That's the worst. That's the worst one.
You know, we probably don't have to use gas. I saw some gas cans in there. I know you're expecting us to use gas, but we probably could have used any liquid.
I mean, they say it's for aquariums. I feel like water would be fine.
Because we have an aquarium in there. When we shot Tool Party, we bought an aquarium. We have an aquarium. We could use juice. We could use water. We could use milk. But I guess we'll use the dangerous one that gets you high.
Wait, that was a staph reviewer. What's a staph reviewer?
They have a staph infection. We have one more product to review. And this one on my spreadsheet was just labeled worst. Oh, this video is going to be good.
All right, Ken, we're here at Donut Media. What do you think so far?
Oh, the shoot?
Yeah. Just
Oh my
everything.
god. Oh, it's hilarious. Look, I think you see James in videos, but like just seeing him actually like behind the scenes, hilarious.
Like all the AutoZone stuff, we were like, that's not really donut, you know? Yeah. And there's just like a few things where we just like, we fucked up a car. Yeah. So I feel kind of bad about it. With the next one, I want to do funny stuff, but not just like kicking it. We got our Jetta race car here. It's very sentimental, very expensive, and right now it's just a sitting duck for thieves. Luckily, we have a security system that we're going to install. Motion sensor security system. You want to be the fob man?
I will be, yes. Okay, it's red, it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna alarm it now. Oh, it is something. So flash red and blue.
It looks futuristic as heck.
Okay, so it's armed.
Sweet luxury car.
Well, it's anticlimactic.
Already in?
So, okay, so it's red. It's still red. It goes red and blue, but what's the difference? Should we have read the manual?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god, dude.
Is that it?
Yeah.
If you close the door, you can't hear it. What's the point of that alarm?
Oh man, this is the last video that we are shooting with the Jetta. We're giving it back to our friend Andrew. Yes, this car was borrowed from a friend.
A good friend.
A good friend. He's actually on a call with us right now. All right, so first traditional. Can we do this? I hate these.
I do too, man.
I'm gonna start the timer. 3, 2,
Wait, I'm
1.
doing all of it?
It's 1 gallon, right?
We're timing the whole gallon. 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Well, first, it takes a while to figure out if you're doing it right.
Oh, well, it's pouring on the side. Oh, God, it's definitely pouring out. I was stop. It's okay. So,
Jimmy didn't seal it right.
So
Like this incredibly dirty Jimmy. This incredibly dirty gas can. Jimmy!
I found it in my garage. All right.
Well, you can wipe it off, Jimmy.
It's like in the attic. Not one of these. I'm gonna start it. Ready?
I'm scared of this.
1.
Okay.
oh, that's pretty quick.
Going.
Okay, all right.
James, give me like a crazy face, like.
What do you think so far, Matt? Is it fun? Is it cool?
This
it
is
fun and cool?
great. This is so much more efficient than our shoots.
Uh-oh.
In like a good way. It's dirt.
What about you, Greg? Is this like the way you shoot all of your things?
This is a little bit scaled back from what I usually do, but you know, it looks good.
Here's the airplane.
So we're gonna drive low truck, everyone's favorite truck, and because of safety, because we have to go to 10 to 15 miles per hour, and I don't want to pretend to fall asleep while doing that, we're gonna install this on the passenger side to see if it registers Austin's face. And also, I'm gonna download it, okay, I'm gonna download the scan, and I'm gonna deep fake it. And then I'm gonna have so much money from my new channel.
Wait, I thought we were just testing.
Getting deep faked, sucker! And we drove like a mile and a half, and by the time we got back to the shop, we were ready to wreck ourselves into a tree just to make the hellish robot stop yelling at us.
Check this out.
You're talking about just like manufacturing being poor and stuff is like an interesting take on it.
It's like at that kind of price, you expect it to be better than the garbage that you get on Wish. And it's not at all.
It's not at all.
Cool.
Sharp
Well, hopefully
image.
the first of many, you guys had so much like really good chemistry, especially when you sit down. It was so smooth. It was like you guys had known each other for a long time, like at least 2 days.
Hey, we're both really good at this.
Just incredibly professional at all times.
All right, Austin, we did it. Donut meeting and you. I think it was fantastic. I think it was awesome. What did you think?
It was great. All thanks to you. You're the man who makes shit. I mean, things happen. Language. No, this is super fun. Honestly, like these guys are great. But I think the videos. That was the perfect video. Like I feel like I was at home.
You really were. And the thing is, like, I was excited to see Mystery Tech, but I think I just did.
You just watched Mystery
I
Tech.
just saw Mystery
You watched
Tech.
a better, more organized version of Mystery Tech.
And if you want to see Mystery Tech, there'll be a link in the description below. And Austin, thank you so much, my friend. We'll do it again soon. Special shout out to Austin Evans and the Donut Media crew. Thank you so much for making that so much fun. And everyone who we saw out in California, Matt Ancini, Justine, Jonathan Morrison, and more. Thank you guys for making the trip so awesome. If you're interested, there were 44 minutes of this exact video. I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the members only link here. If you hit join in the bottom, you can watch it for as little as 99 cents. I mean, why not? And a bunch of other videos I have there. So I hope to see you next time. Peace and love.